Hey, what's up? Brent for Brenspeed. It's 3-Valve Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching today. We have an 06 GT with a Novi 2200 superchargers, the Brenspeed package. We're going to take a look at it. We have some other mods on this as well. So hey, if you like videos like this, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. Let's go check it out. All right, so what do we have going on today? Remember, you can check that description to read a lot more about these parts. I'll put links in that. As well, you can email quote@brenspeed.com to say, hey, what's it cost to build my Mustang? But it's the Novi 2200, so it's an 06 GT, manual transmission running 93 octane fuel. I have Corinne with me come down here, take a look. It's our Brenspeed turnkey package. So we have the Novi 2200, killer supercharger. It's intercooled, it's air to air, 47-pound fuel injectors, Kohler spark plugs, the proper calibration. That's what comes in that right there, as well as a Kinney Belt booster pump. But there's more mods to this car than just a Novi 2200. It came in, we had the Ford Racing manifold, the Ford Racing throttle body. It already had a set of hot rod cams, a set of pipes, long tube headers. So it was a pretty sweet bolt-on Mustang. I like all those mods. So we installed our Novi 2200 supercharger. It's available in satin, which you just saw right there. You can also get in polish if you're more of a car show type person. You want a little bling on that. That's pretty sweet as well. Easy way to add a ton of horsepower. This car lays down over 500 of the tires. We're going to watch that dyno pole, so let's go check it out. All right, Corinne, let's take a closer look. So here we are, DynoJet SAE, 523 to the tires, let off about 6,500 RPM. Down here, torque came in 425, peaking where I left off at about 6,500 RPM. That's a sweet setup. So we have an 06 GT manual with just bolt-ons, man, stock engine. Corinne, look at this right here. Besides the wheels, car looks pretty stock. I mean, you have no idea it's a 500 roll horsepower Mustang. If you have a 3-valve out there, I know everyone loves Coyotes. I love Coyotes. But there's still a lot of ways to make good power on a 3-valve Mustang. The cars are pretty inexpensive right now. Or maybe you have one that's already paid off. So the Novi 2200. And we have other supercharger package for the 3-valve as well. And of course, this had like the manifold, throttle body, the headers, and the hot rod camshafts. So that's it right there. 06 GT. If you have questions about this, leave a comment. We'd be happy to answer. You can check that description for more links on what exactly are these parts in this Mustang. You can email quote@brenspeed.com to find out what it costs. Build your Mustang as well. Thanks for watching.